What if I told you that the path from paycheck to millionaire has been hidden in plain sight for decades, yet only 1% of people ever follow it? That 80% of millionaires today didn't inherit wealth, they built it, one calculated move at a time. Not through luck, not through scams, but through a system of a real, step-by-step process that starts small and ends in financial freedom. Welcome to Next Gen Hustle, where we decode real wealth, real work, and real results. To all new subscribers, welcome to the family. To all returning hustlers, thank you for coming back. Your consistency proves you're built differently. And to every viewer watching right now, stay until the end, because today, you're going to learn the exact formula that transforms a simple side hustle into generational wealth. This isn't hype, this is the truth. Let's begin. For most of modern history, people have been trained to believe in one path: go to school, get a degree, work 40 years, retire on a pension, and hope it's enough. But the world changed. Technology democratized opportunity. The internet made value borderless. And now, a new economy rewards creators, innovators, and risk-takers, people who can solve problems, build systems, and monetize skills. Today, millions are starting side hustles, but few ever make it past survival mode because they treat it like a hobby, not a system. At Next Gen Hustle, we don't romanticize wealth, we decode it. We look at what actually works, backed by data, history, and results. In this video, you'll discover the 7-step path that anyone, no matter where you start, can follow to turn a small side hustle into long-term financial independence. Stay until the end, because step 7 is where everything changes. Second, identify the skill that scales. A side hustle is only powerful when it's built on transferable skill. Skills like copywriting, design, digital marketing, trading, tech development, real estate analysis, these are scalable because they solve problems in multiple markets. Here's the truth: most people chase money. Millionaires chase skills. Harvard Business Review found that self-employed individuals with highly transferable skills are 4x more likely to reach financial independence. Your goal is to find a skill that the world needs, that you can master, and that can later be automated or delegated. A designer who learns branding can build an agency. A trader who understands risk management can teach and build capital firms. A marketer who learns storytelling can scale products globally. Your skill is your seed. Choose one that grows. To every subscriber watching, your time here is an investment. Stay tuned, the next step shows how to turn skill into systems. Third, build systems, not just income. Here's where most fail. They earn, but never systemize. True millionaires think like engineers. They ask, how can I make this run without me? A system is a repeatable process that turns your skill into consistent results, whether you're working or not. Look at McDonald's. The founders sold burgers, but Ray Kroc sold a system and it turned into a $1 trillion franchise model. Digital version. You build an automated funnel, a course, or a content machine that works while you sleep. A side hustle becomes a business the day you can step away for a week and it still runs. Income feeds you. Systems free you. If you're still with us, you're part of the 20% who finish what they start. New or returning subscriber, thank you. Keep going. Step 4 is where momentum begins. Fourth, multiply through digital leverage. Leverage is the modern multiplier. In the past, leverage meant labor or machines. Today, it's technology. Platforms like YouTube, Shopify, and Substack allow one person to reach millions without owning factories or offices. You're not going to get rich renting out your time. You must own equity in business, brand, or software. Leverage your content. Leverage code. Leverage automation. A content creator with a loyal audience can build wealth faster than someone working 10 hours a day in silence. Leverage lets you earn without limits. To our growing next-gen hustle family, your support builds this movement. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. You're only halfway through the formula. 5th, manage cash flow like an investor. Most hustlers fail not because they can't earn, but because they can't keep. The truth, earning $10,000 a month means nothing if you spend $9,999. Millionaire's master allocation. Every dollar has a mission: 50% reinvested into growth, 30% secured for savings or assets, 20% lifestyle controlled, not compulsive. Warren Buffett built billions not by chasing new ideas, but by protecting his capital and letting compounding do its work. Control money, or it will control you. To every disciplined viewer watching, thank you. You're not watching entertainment. You're watching education that builds empires. 6. Create multiple streams strategically. Never start 10 hustles at once. Start one. Master it. Automate it. Then expand. Statistics show that 65% of millionaires have at least 3 income streams. But they didn't start with 3. They built one system at a time, layering growth. Start a service gives, build a product gives, then invest profits. Start trading gives, teach it gives, build a digital course gives, scale it with automation. Each stream strengthens the next. That's how small beginnings compound into empire-level wealth. Master one income. Multiply many. If you've watched this far, you're part of the elite few who don't just dream, they execute. Stay, because the final step will change the way you see time forever. 7th, turn wealth into legacy. Money is temporary. Legacy is eternal. True millionaires don't just build wealth, they design impact. From Rockefeller to Musk, from Oprah to Bezos, each built systems that outlive them. Legacy is when your money, influence, and knowledge continue to produce value long after you're gone. For the modern hustler, this means creating digital assets, writing books, mentoring others, or building organizations that empower others. Side hustles build income. Legacy builds immortality. To everyone still watching, thank you. You're not just consuming, you're transforming. Welcome to the next-gen hustle movement. Shift your mindset. Master a scalable skill. Build systems. Use digital leverage. Control cash flow. Create multiple streams. Build a legacy. This is the real path. No illusions. No overnight schemes. Just truth, discipline, and strategy. Most people will quit halfway. But if you apply what you've learned today, one focused step at a time, you'll see that wealth isn't about luck. It's about alignment, consistency, and clarity. So, to all subscribers, old and new, thank you for being part of this truth movement. This channel exists because of you. At Next Gen Hustle, we don't chase illusions. We chase truth, results, and the future. If you haven't yet subscribed, turn on notifications and share this with one person who's ready to rise. The next generation doesn't belong to dreamers. It belongs to doers. It belongs to hustlers who know the truth. Stay consistent. Stay strategic. And as always, stay hustling.